What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am riding solo today. I am meeting Mark, SoFlo Marco on YouTube. We are going fishing. So the plan is to depart from Siesta Key, head on over out to the Gulf. So let's see what the day has in store for us. I gotta tell you guys, I have not fished as often as I would like to since moving down here. This is probably gonna be my fourth time or so. I've struck out the last 3 times, so hopefully today it'll be different. So can't wait to bring you guys along. All right, well, we officially made it to the marina. That was mine. What's up, Mark?
What up?
Is that your cooler over there?
Yeah.
What's in it?
We drank it all.
Water and Modelo's.
Perfect. We're headed up the intracoastal here at Sarasota. I almost died today. Well, I didn't almost die. Mark almost killed me today. You did. Just admit it. You almost killed me.
You can't use the term today, though. It's got to be this morning.
Yep.
Because the day's not over.
That is true.
Oh my God, you just jinxed us. Now I'm worried. Mark, I'm going to watch you the whole time.
Yep.
You don't go anywhere near your father.
Just keep them away from me. All right, guys, we finally hit that resume normal operation. We are now cruising on the intracoastal, but pretty much in downtown Sarasota now. Right down there, that's South Lido Beach. Down in that direction. Such a beautiful day out here today, guys. Getting ready to go under the John Ringling Bridge.
Catch a grouper. We're going to catch some grouper today.
That's the Old Salty Dog restaurant back there. Moat Aquarium is also over here. We are on New Pass. First thing we're trying to do is grab some shrimp. The marina where we just came out of, apparently some kids broke in last night and stole all the shrimp, so they didn't have anything left. All they left was bolt cutters and a broken lock. So we are trying this other little bait shop here. If you guys can see it, but there's a ton of fish down here. You see it? Little guys. Oh, there's some bigger guys down there. Fred is trying to go for the kill. Fred, go for it. Yeah, I know, me too. Fred, we won't judge. Come on.
Eat one.
Well, if we can't catch anything, we'll just eat these. Here, you want to eat one?
Yeah.
It's sushi. Dude, these things are super hyperactive.
Oh, they're biting it. All right, let me show you what we do. So we're gonna take it and hook it right between those eyes and the back here.
Yep.
And so that it's hooked here and then it just does its natural thing.
It pretends it's alive.
Or we rip the tail off and just use that.
I don't know. Do you think we need more water in the live well?
It's going. Okay.
Dump it.
Yeah.
Woo. See you guys later.
All good. Happy shrimp.
Yep.
Yeah,
I'm gonna start naming them while you're.
that's fine.
Thank you for the shrimp.
Thank you.
We're gonna make shrimp Barbie.
Did anybody eat them raw?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
My girlfriend would.
All right. So mission accomplished. We have shrimp. All right. So that side over there, that's Longboat Key. That's the chart house. That's a really cool area just to even just hang out all day and just cool off on the water. This whole area here. Any action down here yet?
There will be when we get over it.
Was this the area you and I checked out there one time?
Yeah.
Of activity down here right now.
Like a swarm of
You see
fish.
it?
Oh wow. Come check this out.
Sushi. There's definitely a challenge coming here. I don't know what the prize is going to be, but essentially it's going to be whoever hooks the first fish first. After all the lines are in the water. I'm over here making fun of Mark though, because last time, Mark, what happened with you and the shrimp, Mark? You're afraid of shrimp?
Yeah, I was afraid of the shrimps. But
Yeah.
not today. I'm gonna conquer my fears.
Yep, you better hook your own shrimp, because I'm not doing it for you. You nearly killed me this morning.
At this end, obviously, this will be the...
Yep, he's on his own.
Hey, but if we get the security footage from them and we post that, it'll be a viral video because of me.
I don't
because
think
of what I did.
I don't think my health insurance company wants to see that video.
I would think. Can you just thread one of them through on the bottom?
All right, it's party time. Here is my second attempt here. Hopefully I don't get picked again. Boom. Yeah, buddy. So are we all 1 for 1? Or does Mark not have one yet? We're getting bigger. Just a little tiny guy. So pretty much we all have one except yacht management guy over there. All right, here we go, Mikey. I got a twofer. We got 2 here. All right, so I'm up to 4. Here we go. Let's see how many we have up here now. 3. Holy crap.
How many are you at?
I don't know. I lost count. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Wow.
I would say at least, all kidding aside, 9. All right, so the concept here is we are keeping all the legal ones, throwing all the smaller guys that we can't keep back in the water. All right, so we're doing pretty good with bait. Yeah, the smaller hooks are definitely working better. All right, so our plan was to definitely catch some bait, which we did. We have at least a dozen or so croakers, and we're going for the big stuff. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, so we made it to the wrecks. So now it's time to see if we can catch some of the big boys. It's party time. All right. So the water here is about 30 feet deep, right?
26 now.
26? You know the fish finder?
Oh yeah, there's a good amount of activity down there. They all seem like they're I don't think so, but if you go down, there's some big guys down there. Alright, we think we got something here.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I see it. You see it swirling right there?
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
Oh yeah.
That's a grouper.
It's not a grouper.
Little guy. But he's a fish. Over here, man. Where are you going? Oh, nice. Yeah.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
There we go.
There's a grouper. A gag grouper, I believe. He has to be 24 inches to be a keeper. And you're at
Probably 28.
14, 15, 16.
All right, well, we'll send him back.
16 inches.
We'll come back for him in a couple of weeks.
Good catch, dude.
Hell yeah. We'll come back in another year and put him in our belly.
Not as big as that.
That one, the pompano I caught, right?
Yeah.
Still, that's he'll be good to eat in about another year.
Let me get this guy over this way so we can see the better guy.
It's got some nice looking spots on him though. Cool looking. Nice catch, dude.
Thank you, thank you.
Come on, fucking hook, do your thing. There you go.
Perfect.
Get this out of the way.
Yep, bye, little guy. So long. Let me give you a kiss. See you in a couple years.
And successful release.
Hell yeah. Boom.
Yeah,
Let him get tired.
Let them tighten your drag.
Yeah, let him. He'll get tired. I learned
Mark,
that lesson the last time.
Just keep reeling, right?
No, don't, because it's just drag going on.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to go back.
Yeah, so Mike will go back. The fish will get tired. Just hold on.
Or he's in the lead.
Remember that happened to me that one time?
No, I don't think so, because I felt it bite.
Alright, so just keep the line tight and your rod tip up. Oh yeah, see, you can see him right there. Tell me when I start getting close to where it's straight down. I don't want to go over your line. Yeah.
So what is it? Like a rock?
Ooh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, you hook the rock.
Oh.
I hope we didn't lose the whole rig. Nope, we only lost the hook. Okay.
Well, you got the catch of the day. We almost could have brought it home.
I know, we were only short by 7 inches, but hey, you know what? I said I wanted a grouper. I got my grouper. You know, even though we're gonna have to come back for it when it's a little older, it's all good, right? But anyway, great day out here, guys, fishing. We are now heading back to the marina, and I will catch up with you guys when we get there.